On this video, we are going to assemble the ball bearing. So to start, we insert component. So insert bearing cage, okay, and then we insert other components. Browse. We are going to insert ball bearing, inner race, outer race, as well as okay. That's it. So this is the ball. This is the inner race, and this is the outer race. So the first thing we have to do, okay, we click the make and select this space and this space and let them concentric, okay, and this space of the outer race and this space of the inner race, let them coincident. All right, so this space of the cage and this space of the cage we flip. All right, so let them coincident. Okay, and then we select the inside of the cage and this surface. Okay, we let them concentric. Check. So now it's already inside. Okay, and then the ball, and then the inside of the cage, let them concentric. Check. So we close now the mate. So we have already one ball. We fix the middle. Okay, and then we can now rotate the outer. We can now rotate the cage together with the ball. Okay, now we select the ball and then we go to component pattern. We use circular pattern and then we put any circular edge on this. Let's say I use this edge. Okay, now I make 14 instances, meaning 14 balls. All right, and then check. So you notice that all the balls is already inside the cage. So we check to accept. So now the ball bearing is already complete. Okay, that is how easy to assemble the ball bearing. So now we can make this one flute, and then we just made it to the wheel hub. Okay, we made it. All right, so together with this face, it should be concentric. Correct. Now I can position this one. We can push in. Okay, so we can make this part and this part to let them lock. I put distance of 10 mm. Okay, then check. So it's now locked. So we have now two ball bearing in the wheel hub. So that's it for the assembly of the ball bearing.